In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on the Comet browser. This process is straightforward but requires careful decision-making as it involves permanent data removal. Let's walk through the necessary steps to ensure you can confidently carry out this task. To begin, make sure you have the Comet browser open. If you're using a desktop, locate the Comet browser icon on your computer and double-click to launch it. For mobile users, navigate to the app icon on your home screen and tap to open it. Once you're in the Comet browser, the next step involves accessing your profile. If you're on a web browser, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you should see a small profile icon. For those using the app version, you'll want to look towards the top left of the menu section. Clicking on or tapping this profile icon will open up a menu that gives you various options related to your account. From here, proceed to the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, you will find several tabs. You're aiming for the one labeled Account. This section houses all features and options directly related to your account's preferences and management. It's a crucial tab for making any changes to how your personal information is handled, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options available. Now, scroll down through the account settings until you spot the Delete Account option. This part can be easily overlooked, so make sure to scroll attentively until you locate it. The Delete Account option represents the command that initiates the account cancellation process. Once you're certain you've found it, click or tap on Delete Account. At this point, the system will prompt you to confirm your decision. It's essential to understand that by choosing to delete your account, all associated data, including browsing history and any stored information within the Comet browser, will be permanently erased. This action is irreversible, so before you confirm, double-check to ensure it's truly what you want to do. After your confirmation, the process will complete, and your account along with all personal data will be permanently removed. Remember, this means you won't be able to recover any information linked to your account, so it's wise to back up any important data beforehand if needed. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your online presence and understand how to take decisive control over your digital footprint. Thank you for joining me in this video, and I hope this guide has been helpful.